97 Battalion Rapid Action Force proudly informs that we could develop MPS, Microbial Preventive Suit, which is a second generation of PPE coveralls, and that is a special thing which is very comfortable to use. It gives perfect protection and it is very eco-friendly because there is no plastic in it, and it is made of normal woven fabric, but at the same time it is airtight and watertight, and at the same time it is very cost effective. And this is the thing which will replace all the PPEs in the coming days. We are so happy to produce it for the society, and we hope that this will protect our health workers and doctors who are fighting COVID from the front. Thank you.
Chennai CRPF 97 Rapid Battalion Commandant Sri Eric Gilbert Jose அவர்களின் அற்புத கண்டுபிடிப்பான மைக்ரோபியல் ப்ரீவென்ட் ஷூட் எம்பிஎஸ் என்ற பாதுகாப்பு கவச உடையை தயாரித்து வழங்கியுள்ளார்.
It is airtight, it is watertight. Now in PPE kits, since doctors are uncomfortable wearing it, the concept of is not a wonderful idea, because the more breathable it is, the less safe it is. The more safe it is, less breathable it is. We have given a rubber coating at the bottom, so that if a person is walking on the road, this cloth and the other areas should not be damaged. So we have given a support like that. And in this also we have avoided stitching. It is with one big piece. It is not, there is no stitching at the bottom. If there is stitching and seam sealing, then the water can penetrate inside. This is the suit which goes up to the knee. The head cover is there, and the suit, it goes up to the knee. After wearing, a person would be like this. It is easy to wear, and it is easy to remove, and it is easy to